For a 123 sample request that comes on your email, you'll need a few things. The envelope. It's the letter to say what samples need to go. It's usually 3, or else sometimes it can come out as 1 or 2. In that case, you need to have polystyrene, that's the size of samples that go with it. The rocks letter that Audrey wrote out. The colour palette brochure. The rocks brochure. The samples. And then a few other things which we'll cover over later. With the envelope, you need to fold on all the creases. Just be careful with this part too. Sometimes it can get a little bit tricky. Once all the creases are folded, you should have an envelope like this. Open it back up, and with the long bit at the bottom, put in your 2 brochures and your letter. Fold the sides, and then put in the samples. As I said, if there's less than 3, then you just change where the 3 were with the polystyrene, so it still looks good when it goes to the customer. Fold that over, slide it in. I put on rock stickers to seal it. Turn over. We put on the address label on the front. In New Zealand, it is only 3 New Zealand stamps. In Australia, it'd be dependent on what the cost is for stamps or postage. Once we've done that bit, then all we have to do is write the address and the person that it's going to. Once that's done, you have a finished 123. Now all you have to do is the paperwork for each envelope that you send out. I have these forms here that I've modified as we've gone along. You just need to write what samples went out, the name of the person, the date it went out, and how many samples, 1, 2, or 3. And then just leave it for your postage company to pick up. Thank you.